Hey, what's up guys? This is Doug here, back with another video on the DTF Motorsports YouTube channel. We're doing another video on the F-150 I just got. This thing's really dirty. I've been driving the crap out of it. It's winter here in Michigan. I was going to wash it for the video, but it's going to rain and snow and stuff later today, so get what you get, sorry. But luckily what we're doing is a video on the interior. So luckily when I got this truck, the guy just had it detailed, so the interior is really clean on this truck. It did have some rubber floor mats in it that didn't fit the best, and you could tell they were older, they were kind of hit. So luckily 3W just sent me a care package. Gonna do the all-weather fitted liners for this thing, so let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so one of the first things I do with pretty much any vehicle I have, like the very first thing I buy for any vehicle I get is all-weather fitted floor mats. I bought them for the Lincoln as soon as I got that thing. I don't have them in my Super Duty just because I have rubber floors in that thing already, so not that big of a deal. But luckily, I didn't even have to order these yet. These guys reached out to me pretty much as soon as I got this truck, and they sent me the fitted floor liners for the inside of the cab, and they sent me the bed mat for the bed. So this video is just going to be on the floor liners, so let's go ahead and jump into these. All right, so here's the interior of the F-150 right now. Like I said, it's really clean. The guy had the interior detailed right before I bought it, so super clean inside. Carpet's still in really good shape. One thing to note when you're looking at ordering these on their website, there's different configurations for the rear seat on, the 150s or 250s. Some of them have the fold-up storage box that goes here. So you want to make sure you order the correct format for your cab. This one does not have the fold-up rear storage. This one's just going to be a mat that goes all the way across. There won't be a cutout for the storage box underneath the seat. Yeah, like I said, the interior is pretty clean. Go ahead and show you the driver's side real quick. Super clean. I'm sure you guys seen as I walk past. We got the floor mats laid out here now. So here's the fronts. These are really cool. I've never seen anything like this before. So the fronts actually have a second carpet mat that actually snaps right in place on top of the rubber one. So this is nice. So if you want carpet down, you can still run this. And then if you want the all-weather, you just pop this off. I can't do it one-handed right now, but you just pop that off. And then you just have the all rubber floor mats. And yeah, these snap into place. You don't have to worry about them sliding around. I know some people try to stack floor mats, and that's never a good idea. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this off for you real quick. Here's the driver's side one too. I'll go ahead and pop one of these off. Set you up on the other one. Like I said, these just grab onto them. They pop out of place just like the factory floor mats would. And there you go, you got the full rubber one underneath. And if you want to put that in here, just line these up, snap them back into place. And then these do also have the snaps on the bottom, so they'll snap into your original snaps that are in your carpet, just like the factory ones would. So me personally, I'm gonna leave the carpet out because it's winter right now, and I don't want to deal with getting salt out of this brand new carpet. So I'm just gonna run the all rubber floor mats. We'll go ahead and slap these in the truck. All right, guys, we're gonna toss the driver's side one in first. Super easy install. So let's just go ahead and grab one and slap it in. You just click it down into your factory clips that are in your carpet, and that's it. Go ahead and grab it. All right, so I just popped these out of the box. One thing they do note is they might not have a perfect shape right out of the box, just because you can have some pressure and some folding and stuff on them from them being boxed up. But they do say they'll form back naturally. You can kind of assist them if you need to. So I just took this one out of the box. I haven't done anything to it, so let's see how these things line up. Slide it into place here. Snap them down. It actually fits really good for just coming out of the box. Got a little wave there, but that'll probably straighten out. And one thing I really like about these, let's see if we can point this down a little bit. So I like how far over these come over the plastic bag. If there's like snow and stuff in here, being in Michigan, when it melts, it's gonna run over this and then out of the truck instead of running just to the edge and then getting in your carpet. And I like how much this wraps around back here. The other liners I just took out of it just came straight across, and a lot of times you end up with like a lot of salt and mud built up on the side of your carpet here from hopping in and out. So super impressed with those. Let's go ahead and switch over to the passenger side. All right, so passenger side goes the same way. This one has a carpet on, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the carpet piece. Click that out, sit that in the back. And then we'll just slide this into place. Same thing, I haven't done anything to shape this or anything, so I'll see how well this fits right out of the box. Look at that, great fit. Same thing, a little bit of wave on the inside just from being folded over inside the box, but really good fit for coming straight out of the box. And same thing again on this side. The lip comes way over the plastic, that way any moisture will run right off the side, and then a nice wrap around here keeps your carpet nice and clean. So super well protected with those. Let's go ahead and jump over and review the back one now. All right, so this is the huge floor liner for the rear. Like I said, with mine not having the under seat storage, it just, the whole rear carpet's gonna be completely covered by this. So if you had the rear seat under storage, you would have cut out right here, basically going across just to have room for your toolbox underneath your seat. Yeah, this one does come folded in half in the box, so it's got a little high spot here, and then these are folded underneath here like this. So these will probably take a little bit of time to get straightened out, but I do already have their bed liner installed, and that came the same way. It came folded up, and I think it might have even been in quarters, and it flattened out like a day or two, so not worried about these at all. We'll go ahead and throw this one in the rear. All right, so I'm gonna bring this in from the other side there. I don't block your guys' view here because that one's a lot bigger. So I'm gonna bring it in from that side, lay it all out, and you guys get to see the whole thing from that side. So I just kind of fold it in half like a taco. Bring it in this way. Slide it forward so those go underneath the seat. Come over to that side and just straighten it out a little bit more. Yeah, so that one has a super snug fit. I mean, that literally covers all the carpet. Got a nice lip in the back here that goes and covers the carpet there. And let's see if I can get you guys adjust a little bit more so you can see how far this goes underneath the seat there. And I mean, it wraps around all the plastic underneath the seat, all the way around. There's no visible carpet, all the way right up to that center console. Like I said, there's a small hump in the middle just from being folded up in the box, but that'll straighten out here in a day or two. So super impressed with that. Same thing with this. You can see how far this comes over on the side here. Covers all your carpet. You walk around the other side, you'll see it's the same way. Here's the view from the driver's side. Same thing. Like I said, just this will kind of settle down. It's got a little wave to it still, but it's going to cover the carpet 100% all the way across there. So that is a really nice rear liner. That thing is massive. Complete coverage all the way across the rear. And here's a view with the seat down. Don't mind my seat covers. Those are for the car seats. They're waterproof and stuff to keep the seats clean. But yeah, usually have the car seats in here. Seats are usually down. Yeah, like I said, you can see the view of it there with everything down in place. Full coverage all the way across, and this will protect the carpet from, you know, me, my muddy mess, and my grease, and then protect it from the kids too. So these things are well worth the investment for protecting your truck. All right, and then I did want to go through and get a quick shot of them with the carpet mats installed. I think those would be really nice, like during the summer months and stuff. That way you're not slipping and sliding on the rubber, and they look really nice, super classy. There isn't one for the rear. Go ahead and show you the carpet insert for the passenger side. There we go. Like I said, it's a super clean look. Matches OEM carpet really nice too. The color's really nice. But like I said, for me being in Michigan and salt and stuff, I don't want any carpet, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove these again, but I just want to get a shot for you guys real quick so you could see them in the truck. All right, guys, that wraps up the install of the 3W floor liners for the inside of the cab. Like I said, they do sell the full kit with the bed liner too, which I do have. It's already installed. There's another video on my channel. Make sure you check that out. I want to do a separate video on that because it's too long. I had some other crap I want to get rid of out of the bed. So did a separate video for the cab and for the bed because you can purchase them separate, but also you can buy them as a kit to completely protect your whole truck. So definitely check them out. They fit great. They're well worth the money. Super cheap to protect your investment. These trucks are ridiculously expensive. And like I said, super cheap investment to protect your carpet. You know, most people keep their trucks for a lot longer now because trucks are so expensive. I don't plan on ever buying a new truck anytime soon because they are outrageous. So definitely want to protect what I got. Yeah, these things fit great. I've had a lot of other brands. I've had a lot of WeatherTech ones. I've had a lot of like OEM Ford ones. The wife's Lincoln had the OEM Lincoln ones. I've had Husky ones. I'm trying to think if there's any other ones, but I've had a lot of different brands. These things fit great. They're top quality. They fit amazing. Like I said, perfect fit. And like I said, I like the secondary carpet piece that snaps on in place. I've never seen that before, so that's really cool. And then the bed liner thing, I've never seen like a fitted, laser fit bed liner like that too. So make sure you check out my other video. But yeah, if you guys want to protect your truck, you got kids make a huge mess in vehicles. These make it easy to clean. If you're in and out of construction sites in the mud all the time, or grease from being a mechanic, or you're gonna protect your carpet from the salt from all these northern states. If you live in a northern state like I do, definitely go ahead and check these things out. There'll be a link in the description. So yeah, thanks again, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.